How to connect iPhone to Windows laptop for data transfer. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you're going to learn how to connect your iPhone to a Windows laptop and transfer your photos, videos, and other files quickly and easily. Let's get started. Step 1. Connect your iPhone. First, grab your Lightning or USB-C cable and connect your iPhone to your Windows laptop. Make sure your iPhone is unlocked, and when the pop-up appears, tap Trust this computer. You may also need to enter your passcode. Step 2. Transfer your photos and videos. Now, let's transfer your photos and videos. Open File Explorer and click on this PC. Then select your iPhone. Open the internal storage, go to the DCIM folder, and you will see all your media. From here, just drag and drop the files to your laptop. Step 3. Transfer other files. To transfer music, videos, or documents, you can use iTunes. Download it from the Microsoft Store, open it, and select your device. From here, you can sync music, movies, and more. Step 4. Alternatives, iCloud and apps. You can also use iCloud, Google Drive, or OneDrive to sync files between your PC and iPhone. Just upload it from your iPhone and download it on your laptop. Simple and wireless. And that's it. Now you know how to connect your iPhone to a Windows laptop and transfer your data safely and efficiently. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.